Welcome to Real Shanghai Mathematics Year, Book 3.2. This is the fifth unit, the short unit, and it's called Unit 5, Calculators. And the only one section that it contains is about using calculators, so getting you familiar with calculator. So number one shows you the vertical form and horizontal form, and the reason behind that is so you can distinguish between the two of them. So if we start off with the 8 as shall we go? We'll go with the vertical one, so you can draw the vertical one, which is a straight line and three lines coming to the bottom. And then the 7, you would do the horizontal one, which is 2 and then one going up. And then the 6 will be the T-shaped like that. And then you can do the same for the other ones using digits to express these numbers, so the other way around. So the first digit would be a 2, then 1, then 8, and then a 3. And then question 2 tells you the different buttons. So the power button is the on and the C one. The subtract memory one. Memory button is used in the calculator to store the answer that you're given, because then you can use it later on. So the subtract memory is M minus. Memory clear button is MC. Clear entry button is going to be CE. And memory recall button is an MR. But both have a clear function in the calculator. 3A, that's true. And then moving on to question 4. You can check the answer for that. I'm not sure the benefit of that or the point of doing that, so that's up to you. Then 5, you should be able to do this already in terms of the column method, in terms of calculation. Should we recap this? Okay, let me just recap the division one, because probably a little bit more tricky, although it's been done before. So let's do 924 divided by 28. So you use the method to work it out, and then you can check the answer in the calculator afterwards. So how many 28s go into 92? So one of the ways you could do it is 28 times what number will give there. So this is around 30 and 33. So I think about 28 times 3. We can try that. And if we get it wrong, we can always move it up and down. That's not a problem. So 28 times 3, that will be 8, 16, 24. So there's 4 here and 2 to carry over. And then we got 2 times 3, and then we got 8. So we got 6 plus 2, 8, 84. And that's going to be 3 here. And then the remainder is how much? The remainder is how much? So we got 6 and the 8. So we got 8 here left. So that's 84, and we've already done that. So that's going to be answer going to be 33. And as I say, you can use a calculator to do that. And a simple calculator will do the, as I say, they're showing you a very basic calculator and how to use that. Question 6, again, something to do. And again, remember, brackets are done first. And if they're all along the same lines, then we do times and divide in that order. So 4987 plus 113 times 33, do 113 times 33, then add 4987. Even in a calculator, that's the way to do it. Otherwise, you can get issue with the calculator, because you might not be familiar with the order that should be done, especially a simple calculator. Question B, level B. 6 times, find the pattern and write the answer in the brackets, then check the answer with the calculator. So 6 times 7 times 11 times 13. So you can look at how the pattern they've done. So 6006 for that. And the other one 8008. So 9 times 7 times 11 times 13. You'd expect that to be 9009. And the other one 10 times 7 times 11 times 13. You can double check what that would be. Or work it out and do that, or you could think maybe 100010, but you can double check that. And then you got the divisions and the pattern between them, and see if you can find the pattern. So you can see 602, 602. So 771 will be 771, and 8888 will be 881, and you could do that there. 3-digit number is such and such. How many times did you play? So you could try that if you want to. As I said, level B is usually a bit harder, so that is definitely optional. And with that, we end Unit 5, and we'll move on to Unit 6. Please do like and subscribe and share your comments below. Thank you.